Hello, I'm Brian, Business Development Manager at Copsonic, and I'm here with Emmanuel, our CEO and Head of Innovation. Until now, contactless mobile payment and mobile banking founded their hopes on NFC, without imposing it as a standard. This can easily be explained through one single figure, 15%. Indeed, currently only 15% of the smartphones existing worldwide are NFC compatible, and the perspectives foresee no increase in the near future. To expect to impose a contactless mobile communication technology, it would need to be compatible with at least 100% of the mobile phones. Well, this technology exists. It's called Copsonic. Copsonic is an alternative to the existing NFC. The secure data is exchanged through components that already exist on all mobile devices, the microphones and the speakers. Mobile applications running on a standard NFC can switch to Copsonic technology, but also we reach out to all the other mobile devices, including to all feature phones. We are now going to show you the added value of Copsonic for the world of industry, monk and finance. So let's set up two cases, one for security and one for payment. In the case of security, Copsonic turns your mobile device into a real security dongle to access information or private accounts. Emmanuel has an old-fashioned feature phone. He is in front of a website and he wants to access his dedicated space. As to log in, he enters his phone number and his personal PIN code and he validates. The Copsonic technology, embedded within the website, launches a phone call. Emmanuel is answering this phone call, and the encrypted sound emitted by the website will then be captured by the phone. And, as it is recognized by the server, Emmanuel is granted access to his account. With a smartphone and an application, this procedure is even easier. As to register, he clicks on the Sonic login button of the website. He launches the application on his phone. The embedded Copsonic module starts broadcasting encrypted ultrasounds which are captured by the application. This enables the website to display a welcome message, inviting him to enter his personal PIN code directly on the phone application. As the server will match this PIN code, we achieve a second level of security and grant him access to his personal data. In both cases, the Sonic one-time password and strong authentication make this process entirely secure but also safe against phishing. This high level of security also allows us to propose the Copsonic technology as a complement or even a replacement for existing NFC and mobile payment solutions. The huge advantage, however, of Copsonic within the mobile payment solution is that the 7 billion of phones currently existing around the world can be turned into mobile wallets and into payment devices. So let's have a look at some payment solutions based on Copsonic authentication. First of all, Copsonic enables peer-to-peer payments. Emmanuel is going to refund me some money through a peer-to-peer payment. Therefore, he is going to call a dedicated Copsonic server and he follows the operator's instructions.
Your PIN code, followed by the pound key. Welcome to Copsonic Payment. Press 1 to make a payment. Press 2 to check your balance. Enter the amount, followed by the pound key. Please enter the phone number, followed by the pound key. Successful. Press 9 to return to the options menu.
As Emmanuel validated the process, the server launched the call that I answered. We brought together the phones and the one-time password was exchanged by sonic waves instead of magnetic waves, as for regular NFC. This transaction has been validated as both devices were close enough together. In this case, our patented technology enables us to perform easily the contactless peer-to-peer payment within a close range. This same technology also allows us to pay using applications all around the world. So we are now going to show you a standard payment between two smartphones. So I'm about to pay in a shop. The merchant is pressing pay. He enters the amount and he selects the kind of device, smartphone. On my side, I press pay. I enter the same amount for confirmation and I select also the kind of device. Both devices start exchanging the sonic one-time password and the purchase is done as both devices are close together. Most of the 7 billion people living on Earth own at least one phone. Among them, 2.5 billion have currently no access at all or a limited access to any kind of banking service according to the World Bank. As Copsonic works on their phones, we can provide them an immediate response to the underuse of banking facilities of these people. At the same time, banks and business operators in organized countries remain 100% compatible with all their customers. However, making mobile payment compatible with all handsets is only halfway to expect massive deployments. Indeed, retailers must have compatible payment terminals too. Copsonic also solves this part of the problem as it turns any mobile phone into a payment terminal, including all the feature phones. For retailers equipped with APT or POS, they just need to update their firmware. Therefore, we're opening our SDK, enabling easy and cost-based integration. This SDK is compatible with all major platforms and, if necessary, our teams can develop compatibility updates. So, Copsonic is opening a new path for mobile payment. It's working with 100% of the mobile phones, including the feature phones. It is easy and quick to implement for all retailers around the world. And it is totally secure thanks to the one-time password and the strong authentication. Now we believe it to be the new standard for universal contactless authentication. With us, banks, acquirers and business operators can provide to their customers a simple, secure and universal mobile authentication solution for security and for payment. And, most important, we can reach out to all those mobile phones throughout the world. We are currently looking for partners to help us achieve this. So we will be happy to meet you and to take you through a complete demo of our solutions. Thanks for your attention.